And I want you to pretend that you tripped and you're going to fall forward. So go down and lie down on your face. Just lie down. Lie down. In a controlled manner. Go ahead, go all the way down if your body will let you today. All right, you've got to stay down, stay down. Straighten your body. Go ahead and relax. Relax on the floor. Can you make it today, Gladys? Can you go all the way down? Can you lie all the way down? There you go. All right. A trip, a fall into face-lying position. How do you manage your body to get up? All right, we've got somebody there practicing it. Good for you. Thank you. From here, I want you to crawl. Push yourself up to crawl. Here we go. Lift up. Come on up to crawl. Don't crawl yet. Just lift. Lift. Leon.
I'm lifting.
Lifting. Look at me. Here's what I want you to do. That's what I want you to do. Gladys, can you come up to this? This is where. Leon, here's your chair right back here. Come to me. Leon, right over here. Turn to your chair or crawl to it and put your 2 arms on the chair seat. 2 arms. Now, keep your elbows down. Bring your hips around this way. Lay be apart. Let's go wide. There you go. Push down with your arms and lift your knees off the floor. Push down with your arms. Walk your feet up under you. Walk your feet up under you. Look into your lap and come up. All right, that's it, Gladys. That's it. Walk your feet forward. Look into your lap and come up. Walk your feet up forward.